Welcome to my channel Chemistry class. Student, I hope you're doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed nucleic acid and details, and today we are going to study types of nucleic acids. So, let's discuss types of nucleic acid and details step by step. Types of nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are important biological molecules that stores and transfer genetic information in living organisms. There, there are two main types of nucleic acids present in cells. First one, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acids. Second one, RNA, ribonucleic acid. Both are polymers made up of repeating units called nucleotides, but they differ in structure, sugar, nitrogen bases, and functions. First one, DNA mean deoxyribonucleic acids. So let's discuss in detail. First one, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Definition: DNA is the nucleic acid that stores genetic information and controls the structure and activities of cells. It acts as the genetic blueprint of living organisms. Structure of DNA. DNA is a double-stranded molecules forming a double helix structure. Each strand consists of nucleotides, and each nucleotide contains the oxyribose sugar phosphate group nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous bases and DNA, there are four bases: adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Base pairing rule: adenine pairs with thymine, guanine pairs with cytosine. Origin is adenine paired to thymine, while guanine as pair to triple bond with cytosine, while adenine as pair with thymine to double bond. The bases are connected through hydrogen bonds. Characteristics of DNA: double-stranded structure, contains deoxyribose sugar found mainly in the nucleus of the cell, stores hereditary information responsible for inheritance of traits. Function of DNA. First one, storage of genetic information. DNA contains instructions needed for the development and functioning of organism. Second one, replications. DNA can make an exact copy of itself during cell division. Third one, protein synthesis. Control. DNA controls the formation of proteins through RNA. Now the second one, RNA, ribonucleic acid. Second one, RNA, ribonucleic acid. Definition: RNA is a nucleic acid that helps in protein synthesis and transfers genetic information from DNA to the ribosomes. Structure of RNA. RNA is usually single-stranded. Each RNA nucleotide contains ribose sugar, phosphate group, nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous bases in RNA as adenine, uracil, guanine, cytosine. Important point: uracil replaces thymine in RNA. Types of RNA. There are three main types of RNA. First one, messenger RNA. Function: carries genetic information from DNA to ribosome for protein synthesis. Second one, transfer RNA. Function: transfer amino acids to ribosome during protein formation. Third one, ribosomal RNA. Function: forms the structure of ribosomes and helps in protein synthesis. Difference between DNA and RNA. Property: full name DNA, full name is deoxyribonucleic acid, while full name of RNA is ribonucleic acid. Structure structure of DNA is double-stranded, while structure of RNA is single-stranded. Sugar DNA is deoxyribose, while RNA have ribose. Bases DNA have adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, while RNA have adenine, uracil, guanine, and cytosine. Function of DNA stores genetic information, while function of RNA is helps and protein synthesis. Location of DNA present in nucleus, while RNA is present in nucleus and cytoplasm. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures. I hope you understand. If you have any questions, then you will write in the comment sections. My dear student, and this lecture share it with your friends, and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.